set.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go.
Hello, and welcome to the Hersheypark Monorail. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. For your safety, we ask that you remain seated, keep your head and hands inside the car during the entire ride, and refrain from smoking. Today we will travel 10 miles an hour, offering you panoramic views of Hersheypark. To your right, you'll see some of our thrilling coasters in the Hollow, including our oldest wooden coaster, Comet. The Hollow is also home to our first looping steel coaster, Super Duper Looper, and Great Bear and Sky Rush, two of our guest favorites. We're now entering Kissing Tower Hill, perched atop the highest point in Hersheypark. Here you will find Hershey Triple Tower, the first choose-your-thrill triple tower in the United States. However, the focal point of this area is the 330-foot Kissing Tower. The cabin windows are shaped like our world-renowned Hershey's Kisses, first manufactured here in 1907. The place known for fun and chocolate is now even sweeter. Visit Hershey's Chocolate Town to experience our biggest coaster ever, Candymonium, and discover our dining experiences featuring unique Hershey's chocolate creations. Speaking of Hershey's products, explore the many wonders of chocolate at Hershey's Chocolate World, featuring the free Hershey's Chocolate Tour Ride and create your own candy bar attraction. Afterward, shop at Hershey's largest candy store for one-of-a-kind gifts and souvenirs. It's not only the chocolate and roller coasters that make Hershey sweet. Hersheypark supports Milton Hershey School in its mission of helping students lead happy, healthy, and fulfilling lives, just as our founder, Milton S. Hershey, intended. Learn more at mhskids.org. We are now passing the site of the original Hershey's Chocolate Factory, started by our founder, Milton Hershey, in 1905. Today, the Hershey Company is the leading North American manufacturer of quality chocolate and non-chocolate confections. Below us, you'll see Zoo America, a year-round 11-acre walk-through zoo home to more than 200 animals from 5 regions of North America. The zoo began when Milton Hershey received prairie dogs as a gift. Zoo America is committed to the conservation of North American wildlife and habitats. Visit with one of our zoo educators to learn more about the variety of conservation initiatives we have established and implemented to ensure species survival and habitat maintenance. Entry is included in your one-price admission. Enter through the bridge connecting Hersheypark and Zoo America. We are now entering Pioneer Frontier. Ahead you will see Trailblazer and Dry Gulch Railroad, 2 rides perfect for the whole family to enjoy. Hersheypark truly has something for everyone, including our first ever wood and steel hybrid coaster, Wildcat's Revenge, where riders experience one-of-a-kind thrills found only at Hersheypark. Climb a 140-foot hill, hit max speeds of 62 miles per hour, dive into an 82-degree drop, invert 4 times, and stalk your prey through the world's largest underflip on 3 custom trains. We hope you are enjoying your visit to Hersheypark Christmas Candylane. Stop by for a visit and get your photo with Santa, his reindeer, and festive Hershey characters. Get into the holiday spirit watching our fan-favorite Christmas light show, Noel. featuring more than 250,000 lights dancing to classic holiday tunes. The boardwalk is decked with a festive trail of more than a dozen trees that share the stories of the sweetest place on earth. And on your way out, stop by the Christmas tree display to see our iconic Kisses fountain decked out in its holiday best. Please remain seated.